Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebuilding work using UiPath. In today's session, we are going to discuss about sentiment analysis. So before that, I hope you each and everyone have watched our AI Center. So what are the components of the AI Center? So how it is working? So I hope you will be very clear about the concept now. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about sentiment analysis model. So we are going to build each and everything step by step now. So to make the video very short, so I have just split it into several models. So which is initialization. So we'll be setting up our AI model and data extraction and the predictive analysis states. So before that, let me understand what mean by sentiment analysis, how it works. So first of all, sentiment analysis is kind of a feedback review things. So what actually you do? So if you are going to read a feedback, right? So human will be reading a feedback. So for let's assume Amazon. So you are buying a product. So there will be some person who read the feedback, correct? So he'll be saying like whether we got a positive feedback, negative feedback, likewise, right? So using sentiment analysis, bot can read the particular feedback and it can give the output as a positive, negative, very negative. So it will states according to the confidence percentage. So this requires an input and the output will be getting as a JSON file. So JSON actually JSON is a like open standard file format, so which help you to look the data in a human readable format way to store the data and transmit the data objects consist of attributes values in the pair of and the arrays. So one very main things would need to be noted here is so sentiment analysis model is a not retrainable model. So we cannot retrain this particular model. So you don't need to upload any data sets or you don't need to create any pipelines for this one. So let me quickly jump back to the UiPath A Center and we can check on this. So I hope everyone will be landed on the UiPath cloud page. So before that, I just remind once again. So you have to activate your pro license trial to use the A Center. So let me click on more. Just click on the A Center now. So our AI Center got loaded. So we can just go ahead and use our feedback analysis, which you have created on the previous session. So here it's everything blank. You can see here dashboard, data set. So there is nothing actually uploaded here. This is the particular project which you have created on a previous session. So you can directly go ahead and start using this. So we have determined, so we are going to use our sentiment analysis. So data set as we discussed, no needed, and data labeling is not needed for this one. Just jump back to the ML package. So here just click on the out of the box packages. Just go to the language analysis. So here you can see something called a sentiment analysis. Just click on this particular model. You can see here that is not a retrainable model. And you'll be getting an output like this format, so which is JSON, and then you'll be getting an output as a very negative. So these are the terms will be mentioned as an output along with your confidence score. So let me click on submit. To pick this particular model, you have to name this particular package. So what the name you are going to call inside your UiPath Studio. So let me name it as feedback sentiment analysis. I hope this is fine, right? Yeah, so once you are done all these things, so just only keep the name and just click on submit. And then, so as we discussed, pipeline is not needed for this one since it's a not retrievable model. Just go to the ML skills. So here you have to deploy the ML skill which you are created over there. So just click on create new. So here you have to name your ML skill name. So you can name it as per your convenient. So let me name this as well also a feedback sentimental analysis and choose the package. So which are opted here, ML package, and then version 2. So it might be seen over there the maximum version is second and the minimum version is 0. So how long this particular model need to be in deployed still, which is in available state. So I'll be just select for only 1 day. So if you want this particular model need to be activated for so many days, you can select according to that. So I just selected for only 1 day. Just click on create. So that's it. So here you can see status something called as deploying. Soon after some time, so it will take hardly like 10 to 15 minutes. Once you're done with the 10 to 15 minutes, you can see this is in a available state. So that you can directly go ahead and use this ML package in your UiPath Studio. So meanwhile, you can check on ML logs. So ML logs. So here you can see some information which what are the ML model which you have opted now. So you can see the date and time. So what are the ML model you have opted? What are the ML skill you have opted? So you can see here actually. So you can see some add-on information which is started, deployment started. So after sometimes you can see here in the available state. So once you got in available, so you can directly access this particular ML skill into your UiPath Studio. Let me go to the ML package and show you the version. So which I selected two. So here you can see, right, the maximum version of like sentiment analysis is version 2. So that's why you're able to see only the version 2 over there. Let me refresh. Let me wait for a few more minutes to get it available. So meanwhile it's getting done. So let me take you how to create the project once again. So if you missed to watch on previous videos, you can check here as well. So just click on create project. So you have to name your project, then just click on create. That's it. Soon after you are clicking on create, so you'll be created the project which is like this feedback analysis. So you can deploy your model over there. So let me go to the ML skill. Yeah, see here you can see here is available state, right? So your ML got opted now. So you can directly use this particular ML skill into your Path Studio. Let me go to the dashboard. So here you can see tick mark. So under the deployed, correct? So since you don't didn't use any data sets and pipelines, so it is showed as no data found. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.